I have looking for this kind of gadget. And take a look. What is it? It's a portable tail magnet flashlight super bright mini USB rechargeable LED torch with COP emergency light for camping and hiking. This thing from Aliexpress cost $5 US. You can order also 2 pieces. What it says, it have 8 lighting modes. Ooh. Alright. I ordered it and I got it. Okay, finally. Bubbles. I love bubbles. Ooh. Oh. Okay, and here it is. What it says, multifunctional flashlight, 180 degrees turning angle, magnet, power bank, Type-C charging, pen clip. What it says, digital power display with switch, side lights. Okay. Instruction manual, very short Type-C charging cable, immediately it's feeling nice in the hand, and it's a good plastic. Ooh. I love this detail at gadget with transparent clear piece, so you can see the integrated chips, the LEDs and the printed circuit board. I love that detail. Okay, so at front we have 2 very strong LEDs. From front side we have how much? 8 LEDs. Also we have the LED display on this side, the main power button. Okay, here it is, the clip, so you can hang on your clothes. On bottom we have 2 magnets and Type-C charging port, and it says that it's power bank, but I can't believe it this thing can charge your phone, maybe in emergency, but the main purpose of this thing is a flashlight, rechargeable, and it says that it have 8 functions, and one great thing is this one. You can rotate like this, so now we have the 2 strong LEDs at front, also with these 8 LED chips, but you can rotate 180 degrees. That is beautiful. So what it says in description, it says that it's IP45 waterproof, powerful double magnet, okay, Type-C charging, and here product parameter says that charging time for around 3 hours, material is high strength ABS, anti-fall height 1.3 meters, waterproof rating IP45, battery usage built-in lithium battery, it doesn't says how many milliamperes, and working time 3 to 24 hours depending on which mode you choose. Okay, so turning on, and with one press you activate the front light, and take a look at that display. It shows 81% full. One more time. This is medium maybe. Blinking. Whoa, this is crazy. And turning off. One more time. High, low, blinking. And how to turn on this? Oh, you need to hold the button so you can activate these fronts, and this is warm light. Wow, I like warm. Red, beautiful. Blue, police light, and turning off. With one press you activate the front light, high, low, blinking and turning off, and when you hold it you have warm white light, red, blue, police, turning off. Beautiful. So how many functions? If we have 3 at front and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 3, 7 modes. So you have a metal surface and you want to attach it. Here you go. It's strong. And also you can rotate the flashlight down like this in any direction you want. Alright. Using my LCD, color, USB doctor or USB meter, I will see how much milliampere is pulling while charging. Oh, and beautiful. We have a flashing charging sign on the display. And it's pulling 700 milliamperes. That depends on how much capacity is the battery. Maybe it's bad, maybe it's good. We don't know, and I'm gonna open it in another video, of course. 700 milliamperes. And let's try this one. Nope, I'm gonna plug it right here. Why? Okay. We have 5 volts, 5.2 volts. And I'm gonna plug into my phone. And yes, it's charging with 800 milliamperes. This will be handy in emergency. I didn't expect that. Ooh, beautiful. Alright. For how many times? We don't know. I need more testing about this gadget. Can you run the flashlight? Yes. So, this is high, low, and blinking. And now I'm gonna turn on the warm light. This is red, blue, and police light. As I said, I love that transparent piece of plexiglass maybe at front, so you can see the electronic components. It's beautiful. Alright, how much is it? 76%. Oh, I forgot to remove the sticker. Alright. The link for this gadget will be in description below, so you can check it. And this is my first very cool flashlight with rotatable front light, which is nice function. The LED display for showing how much percent is fully charged the battery, with clip, with magnet. Alright. Whoa, bright. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!